Hey there! Welcome to MX English Podcast. My name's Max, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. This podcast is for anyone who wants to improve their English speaking skills and feel more confident every time they open their mouth. I speak slowly and clearly so you can understand me easily and practice along with me. Today, I want to share something with you, something that changed everything for me when I was learning languages. It's about building a daily English habit. Yes, daily. I know what you're thinking. Max, I'm too busy. Or I don't have native speakers around me. Or maybe I live far from any English-speaking country. I hear you. But here's the truth. You don't need to fly to New York or Sydney. You don't need expensive classes 5 times a week. You don't need 3 hours every evening. What you really need is consistency. Small actions, smart choices. Things you can do every single day that make English feel natural and easy. So let's jump right in. What does shadowing really mean? Before we go further, I want to explain one powerful technique. It's called shadowing. Have you heard about it? Shadowing means you listen to someone speak English and you repeat their words immediately, like a shadow, like an echo. You don't stop to think, you don't translate, you don't check words. You just speak. You copy the sounds, the speed, the rhythm, everything. Let me show you. Listen and repeat after me. English is easier than I thought. I practice a little bit every day. My speaking is getting better. Great job! That's shadowing. At the beginning, it might feel weird. You might not catch every word. That's completely fine. The goal is not perfect understanding. The goal is training your mouth and your brain to move together in English. You're teaching yourself how English sounds and feels when you speak it. Do this for just 5 or 10 minutes daily. Soon, you'll notice something amazing. Your speaking gets faster, your words flow better, you sound more natural. If you want to practice English every day and build strong speaking habits, make sure you subscribe to MX English Podcast. New lessons come out regularly, and each one gives you simple, practical ways to improve. Hit that subscribe button now so you never miss an episode. Now, let's talk about the big question. How do you practice English when life gets busy? When you feel nervous? When you don't know where to start? My answer is simple. Start small, start now. Don't wait for perfect conditions, just begin. I'm going to give you 5 practical ways to practice English daily. These work no matter where you live or how busy you are. Number 1, make listening your daily habit. This is the foundation. If you want strong speaking skills, you need strong listening first. Listen every single day, not just on weekends, not only during lessons, every single day. When you listen often, amazing things happen. You learn new vocabulary naturally. You understand how English really sounds. Your ears get faster. You stop needing subtitles. You start recognizing patterns. So, what should you listen to? Podcasts are perfect. This one, for example. You can also try English songs, YouTube channels, audiobooks, or even the news in simple English. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Even 40% or 60% is excellent progress. Your brain is learning even when you don't realize it. Listen while you're doing other things, while you're driving, while you're cooking dinner, while you're taking a shower, while you're exercising. Just 15 minutes a day makes a huge difference. Let English become your daily soundtrack. Number 2, speak along with what you hear. Listening is step 1, but speaking, that's where the magic happens. After you hear a sentence, say it out loud. Copy it. Match the rhythm and the tone. Try it with me now. Every day, I get a little bit stronger. I don't need to be perfect right now. Practice makes progress. Excellent. Do this every day. Pick your favorite sentences and repeat them many times. You'll feel your pronunciation getting clearer. Your mouth will feel more comfortable. Your confidence will grow. Remember, it doesn't need to sound perfect. It just needs to be practiced. Number 3, start having thoughts in English. This tip is powerful. Stop translating everything in your head. Start thinking directly in English. I know it sounds hard at first, but it's easier than you think. Begin with tiny, simple thoughts. When you're brushing your teeth, I'm tired. I need to wake up. When you're looking out the window, it's raining. The street is wet. When you're making lunch, I'm hungry. This smells good. These are basic sentences, but they create something important. They build a direct connection between your brain and English. No translation step, no delay. Once you feel comfortable, try saying these thoughts quietly out loud. Whisper them. Talk to yourself in English. It's like having your own private English conversation all day long. Number 4, read out loud to exercise your speaking. Reading silently helps your eyes, but reading out loud, that helps your voice. It trains your tongue, your lips, and your breathing to work together in English. Pick something short and simple. A children's story, a dialogue from a movie, even a social media post. Read it slowly first, then read it again, a bit faster. Then one more time with feeling and emotion. Pretend you're performing. Imagine there's an audience. This improves your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your confidence all at once. Think of it like exercise. You're building your speaking muscles. Number 5, bring English into your everyday routine. Here's what most people get wrong. They treat English like homework. They study for 30 minutes, close the book, and forget about it until next week. That doesn't work. Real progress happens when English becomes part of your life. When you see it, use it, and live with it every day. Let me give you some super easy ways to do this. First, switch your phone to English. You check your phone constantly, right? Maybe 50 times a day. Use that time to learn. When your phone is in English, you see words like notifications, battery, storage, connect, or search all the time. You don't study them, you just absorb them naturally. Second, keep a simple English journal. Not long essays, just 3 sentences every night about your day. I woke up late. I had a busy morning. I felt happy tonight. That's it. This builds your sentence structure and helps you use real everyday vocabulary. 5 minutes before bed, that's all you need. Third, record yourself speaking for 1 minute. At the end of each day, grab your phone and record a short voice message. Talk about anything, your day, your goals, your feelings, a funny moment. For example, today I cooked pasta. My friend called me. We talked for 20 minutes. It was nice. Nobody else needs to hear it. This is for you. When you listen back, you'll notice your mistakes. You'll hear your accent. You'll catch patterns. And next time, you'll improve. This builds incredible confidence and awareness. Fourth, find online communities of English learners. Don't wait for a classroom to appear. The internet is full of people just like you. Join a Discord server. Find a Reddit community. Use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Write comments. Send voice messages. Ask questions. Even reading other people's English helps you learn. English becomes social. It becomes real. It stops being just a textbook subject. Fifth, watch short videos and copy what you hear. Apps like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube have thousands of short, easy English videos. Pick topics you love: cooking, travel, comedy, animals, anything. Watch the same video twice, then pause it. Repeat the sentences. Try to sound exactly like the speaker. Even if it's just 15 seconds long, that's perfect. It's quick, it's fun, and it teaches you how real people actually talk. The secret to all of this? Turn normal daily activities into English moments. Say good morning in English. Write your shopping list in English. Watch a 5-minute video in English instead of your native language. These tiny habits add up, and small daily habits create confident, fluent speakers. If you're ready to take your English to the next level and you want weekly lessons that actually fit into your busy life, subscribe to MX English Podcast right now. Don't miss out on powerful tips, clear explanations, and real practice that works. Click subscribe and let's keep learning together. So remember, make English part of who you are, not just something you study. Let it live in your phone, in your thoughts, in your voice, in your daily actions. When English becomes part of your life, it stops feeling like work. It starts feeling natural. And that's when you become truly fluent. Thanks for listening today. I'm Max, and I'll see you in the next episode of MX English Podcast. Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. See you soon.